This magic trick is insane. You're about to learn how to visually take a pencil and shove it through a dollar bill and leave it completely unharmed. I do this magic trick all the time in bars and people freak out. Grab a pencil and a dollar bill. You're about to learn one of the best impromptu magic tricks you can do anywhere. All right, check this out, guys. We're going to use a dollar bill. We'll take the dollar bill, we'll fold it in half like this. Watch me very closely. We're going to take the pencil and place it inside the dollar bill. And then just to add a little bit of mystery, we're going to wrap everything up with a piece of paper, just like this. So now we have the pencil inside the dollar bill, inside the paper. Watch close. Not only do you see it go through, you actually heard the rip, right? And you can see it going all the way through the dollar, all the way through the paper. If I open this up, you can see it going all the way through. In fact, we can actually pull this all the way through the dollar bill. Now, here's the crazy part. We have a look at the paper, you can see we have this massive hole in the paper, but the dollar bill is completely and utterly unharmed. This is one of the best impromptu tricks you can do. Let's get into it. So if you like this trick, guys, hit the like button. This is a trick that's actually from my best-selling magic course, the Ultimate Beginner's Magic Course. So right now we are doing a 50% off Black Friday sale. So there's 50% off all the courses on my website. So if you want a whole new collection of tricks to entertain your friends and family with, especially with the holidays coming up, then check those courses out. I'll pop them on the screen. I'll pop a link in the description down below. But to do this trick, you're gonna need a dollar bill, a bit of paper, and a pencil. Let's get into it. So the secret to this one is so sneaky. You're gonna be kicking yourself that you didn't see it. So the dollar bill actually has a secret hole in it. Okay, can you see the secret hole? Nope, because you're looking in the wrong place. It's not in the middle. Okay, that's where the pencil apparently goes through. It's actually over here. Okay, so that's where the secret hole is, right there. So you need to prepare a dollar bill before you do this. Now, I'll actually show you how to do this on the fly when you're out and about. It's super easy, but let me show you the prep for it first. So in order to prepare it, all you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the dollar bill in half like so, and then you're gonna do a little rip. Okay, it's about 1 inch from one end, a tiny little rip, and that rip is big enough for a pencil to pass through, like that, but it's small enough that you can then hold it with your thumb and forefinger. So here's the way that I would do it. If you're out and about, you can give someone the dollar. It's not prepared. You give someone the dollar, have them examine it. Okay, so watch the dollar bill. We're going to fold it like so. Okay, and then you start looking for a pen. You go, oh, have you got a pencil? And you start turning around, or as if you're going to ask someone if they've got a pencil. And just in that motion of turning around, that's when you do the rip. Yeah, so you've just turned around, have you got a, and they might be looking around as well for a pencil. You've got all the misdirection in the world, super easy. So then you put your little rip in like so. Okay, and then you're ready. So you hold the dollar bill like this. You're gonna cover that hole with your thumb and forefinger so they can't see it, and you show the dollar bill, okay? Then you're gonna fold this in half. Now the way that you fold this is, you're gonna fold this half over so it covers that hole, so it's in front of that hole, but you still wanna leave a little flap here. Okay, and that is so that later we're going to see the pencil going inside. That's what the flap's for. Okay, so you fold, so you cover the hole with the fold, and then you just crease it like so. So now this hole is behind this front fold here. Okay, so now you take your pencil, and of course it looks like you put the pencil inside the note, but what's actually happening is, because of the hole at the back, you're putting the pencil in, but it's sneaking out the hole at the back of the note. So it's actually sneaking out there like so. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to put the pencil in like this and then be like, okay, we'll put it in, whoop, whoop. Don't do this. This looks rubbish. All right. What you want to do is, as you put the pencil in and it's coming out the back like this, you want to stop it with your thumb before it pokes out the bottom. That way it looks like it's in the note or the bill. Okay. Now you're going to take your paper and you fold your paper over like so. All right. And by the way, you can do this with plastic money. If you've got plastic money like me in the UK, you can, but it probably means you need to cut it in advance. That's the only way you're doing it. It might cost you a $5, but it's a good trick. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna push the pencil through like this. And it's really cool because they'll actually hear it rip as well. All right, you push it all the way through, you hear the rip, they'll hear the rip as well. So you can show it like this, yeah, the pencil's going through. Then you can actually unfold this front part as well, which shows it going all the way through. When you do that, don't do this. Don't unfold the bill as well, otherwise this looks rubbish. Nothing to see here, people. All right, so you're gonna fold that back up. So you just flash it like so, and it really does look like a grey illusion. That comes all the way through like so. Okay, then to finish, your thumb and forefinger is just gonna cover that hole again, like this. You can show the paper, you can show that this is got the massive hole in it, but when you open up the note, open up the bill, there's absolutely nothing to see, and it is probably one of the best impromptu tricks you can do anytime, anywhere, and I hope it serves you well. Guys, don't forget, if you love the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos every single week. And if you want an awesome playlist of card tricks to entertain everyone you know with, check out these. They're some of the best that I've ever recorded. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you in the next video.